Welcome back to another episode of Legion Elite Motorsports Project 2. Now today, it's going to be a little bit more simple, and what we're going to do today is we're going to put on a lip kit on this car to kind of spiffy it up a little bit. So let's take a look at what we have. Our first piece is the front lip. This one I got for a 94 Integra, and it's a little bit longer on the sides, so it'll reach all the way to the back of the bumper, and then you can trim it from there, which we're going to do. Next piece is the side skirt, which is actually from the Lancer in Japan. So this is an actual unit that's been repainted just for now. So that's going to go on there and give it a nice clean look. And then this one is for a Lancer also, and it goes right up in this area. Adds to the clean look. But this one is actually not an original piece, it's fiberglass, so I'll still need some work and some smoothing out, but we'll get to that part another time. I just want to mount it today. Okay. So, alright, we're going to take out this bottom bolt, which holds in the splash shield behind it. Alrighty. Now, because these are fiberglass, they're not going to match up perfectly, so we're pretty much going to have to wing it. we're gonna swing this into the following day, but also I want you guys to know and realize that there's gonna be a lot more content for this car. I'm actually going to be swapping it to manual because, as you know, it is automatic, and I'm not a fan of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a full segment on that, and we're gonna go piece by piece until it's complete. I do have everything. I'm just waiting for a couple of more pieces, that being the clutch. I'm gonna go a little bit more aggressive because this is going to be a turbo build. So I'm gonna do a clutch setup that holds about 300 horsepower, and then we'll step it up from there. But we're gonna take a look at the car tomorrow, and we'll see what's been done already, and then we'll continue with the front lip, and then that part will be complete. And we're back. So this is what we have done so far, and it looks pretty good. And I got some other items kind of to add a little accent to it. And let me show you what those are. Alright, so these are door guards. These are actually from I think it's from 98 to 2001 Mitsubishi Montero Sport. And we're gonna slap these on here like so. Now, of course, we have to add adhesive, but I'm gonna get to that and put this on there, and stay tuned. So here we are. This is pretty much the concept. This is where it's gonna sit. And it goes with the 50/50 trim, black handles with the black lining around, which is also going to get touched up. And also, you could use double-sided tape. Me personally, I don't think they're strong enough. And the dealership standard stuff, I don't think they supply anymore. I'd have to double check. But this is it. This is the concept. And I'm going to do the other side. And we're going to jump on the front lip. Alright, so the front bumper didn't fit the lip the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to order another one that should fit a little better. So stay tuned for that. So the front lip didn't work out, which is no big deal. We're going to get another one. But that's it for today on this car. Looks pretty good. And as soon as this dries, I'm gonna put some shots of it in the ending video. And I'll see you for the next project one. Bass to Mexican music. It's different.